Greece, located in southeastern Europe, is known for its rich history, stunning beaches, and delicious cuisine. Athens, the capital, is home to the ancient Acropolis and Parthenon. Greek culture is celebrated for its contributions to philosophy, art, and democracy. The country's islands, like Santorini and Mykonos, attract millions of tourists annually. A Greece visa allows entry and stay for a specified period, indicating permitted activities and family member inclusion. The Greek Schengen visa permits a 90-day stay within 6 months. Apply at least 3 months before your trip, preferably 5 weeks for long-term visas, at the Greek embassy or consulate, or a visa service center. Complete the application form, book an appointment, attend the interview, and submit required documents. If you haven't visited the Schengen area in 5 years, provide biometrics. Visa validity is usually 3 months within 6 months, but the embassy may issue shorter durations. Pay attention to the visa sticker for entry and exit dates and the duration of stay. To apply for a Greece visitor visa, you typically need the following. Fill out the Greece Schengen visa application form accurately and completely. Your passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Greece and have at least a blank pages for visa stamps. Provide recent passport-sized photos following the Schengen visa photo requirements. Include a detailed itinerary of your trip, including flight reservations, not actual tickets to and from Greece. Provide proof of accommodation for your entire stay in Greece, such as hotel reservations or a letter of invitation, if staying with friends or family. Purchase travel insurance that covers medical emergencies and repatriation for the entire duration of your stay in Greece, with a minimum coverage of €30,000. Provide proof of sufficient funds to cover your expenses in Greece, such as bank statements for the last 3 months or a letter of sponsorship if someone else is funding your trip. If employed, provide an employment contract, a letter from your employer stating your position and salary, and recent pay slips. If self-employed, provide business registration documents and tax returns. If a student, provide a letter from your school or university. Provide evidence of your intention to return to your home country, such as a letter from your employer stating your planned return date or proof of enrollment in a school or university. If required, provide biometric data, fingerprints and a photo at the Visa Application Center. Please note that these requirements may vary slightly depending on the embassy or consulate where you apply and your specific circumstances. It's advisable to check the exact requirements with the Greek embassy or consulate in your country before applying.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers, Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.